Good day everyone. For this video, we will focus on finding the vertex of our quadratic function. Quadratic function is a type of polynomial function of degree of 2, which means that highest power of the variable usually is 2. It has the general form of f of x is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, and c is our constant. For example, find the vertex h and k of a quadratic function. Remember guys that h and k is only replacement to the value of x and y coordinates. So to find the value of our h, we need to use the formula h is equals to negative b over 2a. But before that, we need to identify the corresponding value of our a, b, and c. And the value of our a is equals to 1, b is equals to negative 2, and c is equals to negative 3. And after that, we need to substitute the corresponding value of our b here inside in our formula, and negative b is equals to negative 2. Then the value of our a is equals to negative positive 1 rather. So the value of our h is equal to 2 over 2, because negative times negative equals to positive, then copy positive 2, then 2 times 1 is positive 2. So h and k, or the value of our h is 2 over 2, and our h is equals to positive 1. Since our h is equal to x, to find the value of our k is we need to substitute the value of our h inside the value of our in here the value of our x, because h is equals to x. So x is equal, substitute by 1, x can be replaced by positive 1 squared, 2x, and 2 times 1 minus 3. This operation can be simplified as square of 1 is equals to 1, then negative 2 times 1 is equals to negative 2, then copy the constant negative 3. Then simplify this operation. 1 minus 2 is equals to negative 1. Then minus 3 is equals to negative 4. So that our vertex is h and k. H and k is equals to 1 and negative 4. And it can be written as x and y. X is equals to 1 and y is equals to negative 4. And that's all for this video guys. I hope you learned something from me, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.